That's the real cup right here.
Switch from you. No! She's all mad.
It's really good out of the microwave. That's gonna fit in the microwave.
No, that's me.
Hey, turn on the microwave.
That was me, I did that.
Almost a popcorn.
Hey, go turn on the microwave. Stop playing, brother. I like how everyone moved to death the other day and he didn't yell at us. He was trying to tell it.
Oh my god. I will kill you, Wayne.
Man. So because he moved the desk, he gets his hot microwave. Because he used the desk. Only in this class.
Did that even do
Did you get him doing that?
Did that even do anything if you microwave it?
Huh? Find out.
Hey, good to know.
No fire.
Work.
I think so. Yeah, I know. I'll fight you.
You can't fight.
I want to fight out. Shit out of you.
Oh, we'll fight. Me and you, we'll fight. Me and you, Brad. I got
Say Brad.
you need Brad.
You said Brad?
I did.
Come on.
Come on, Brad.
I was like, oh shit.
No.
I'm really scaring your dad.
Do that again. Do that again. Do that again. That was alright. Where's Leah?
Okay, so after the song, walking by the spot, Leah walks up, hey, Leah, how was your nap? She's like, fuck you. She said that? I was like, Leah, how was your nap? She's like, fuck you. I think about Kaylee. No.
Okay, so, are we done with all of our bellowing?
No.
What I just read? That's the first time I've been to yesterday.
Oh my god.
Ready? Okay, we'll say Julie.